Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon Blade 68. In this video I'll show you how to remap keyboard buttons. To remap keyboard buttons, let's go to DarkBeacon app and go to Remap. Now, select from Main layer or Function layer, select button, and now press any button you want to map for this button. You can select from all charts, extended charts, system media shortcuts, macro or RGB lighting. Let's, for example, select K and switch it to num5, and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.